Hey there! In this rad video, I'm gonna spill the beans on how you can pocket a cool $500 a day just by kicking back and watching YouTube videos. Yep, you heard that right. It's a slick strategy to earn some free PayPal cash without breaking a sweat. So, how does this magic happen? Well, stick around and I'll break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll have all the deets on setting up this money-making method for absolutely nada. That means you can rake in more moolah without putting in a ton of effort. Sounds like a sweet deal, right? Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's dive into a preview of how this method works. It's all about a snazzy new website that pays you for watching YouTube vids. And guess what? Signing up is totally free, and they even have a handy-dandy app. So whether you're rocking a smartphone or a desktop, you're covered. To make that dough, all you gotta do is hit that view button, soak in the video goodness, and collect your earnings. You can cash out through PayPal, bank transfer, or other payment options they have in store. The reason I'm sharing this method is because let's face it, many of us spend hours glued to YouTube watching all sorts of captivating stuff. And sometimes we feel a tad guilty about it, right? Well, fret no more, because now you can indulge guilt-free knowing you're actually getting paid for your entertainment time. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Alrighty, in this tutorial, we'll be rocking 3 different platforms that won't cost you a dime and will help you make that sweet YouTube cash. So stick around till the end, because I'll reveal my top pick, the one that puts the most green in your pocket. These platforms are like hidden gems, so get ready to be amazed. Here are 3 websites that provide opportunities to earn money, particularly by watching videos. Goldmine number 1. This is the first one. The website I'm referring to is ZarekClammy.com, which is accessible on both smartphones and computers. You can either search for the ZarekClammy app on the Google Play Store and install it on your smartphone, or directly visit the ZarekClammy website if you're using a desktop. This platform allows you to earn money for your everyday activities. Let me walk you through how it operates. Once you're on the website or have the app installed, click on the registration button to create a free account. You can sign up using Google, Microsoft, or by manually entering your email address and password. It's available worldwide, but do check if it operates in your country. After creating an account, you'll have access to the dashboard where you can track your earnings and balance. You can view your daily, weekly, and monthly earnings, as well as your total earnings overall. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Earn section. Clicking on it will allow you to explore various ways to make money online. These include browsing websites, watching videos, viewing ads, engaging on social media, and more. I suggest focus on browsing websites, watching videos, viewing ads, and engaging on social media, as these tasks require less time and effort. To get started, click on the Earn button before the Leave Engagement on Social Media section. Next, select your preferred payment method and choose the tasks that interest you. For example, you can get paid for watching YouTube videos. Simply click on the YouTube Views option and you'll be taken to a page where you can watch different videos. You can let the videos play while you do other tasks or open multiple videos in different tabs to maximize your earnings. The more videos you watch, the more money you can make. It's a straightforward and convenient way to earn extra income online. Goldmine number 2. The second website I want to share with you is Timebox.com. It offers multiple opportunities to earn money, such as posting on TikTok, viewing slideshows, playing games, and installing apps. Additionally, you can get paid for watching videos. One notable feature is the daily bonuses that you receive simply by logging into your account. You can start earning immediately without any waiting period. Sign up on Timebox.com using either your Facebook account or by providing your email address and password. After creating an account and logging in, you'll arrive at the homepage, where users from around the world are making money every few minutes. Access the Earn section to explore different surveys, tasks, and offers. Under the Offer Walls and Tasks section, you'll find options for watching videos. Discover these opportunities and begin earning money without any investment. Goldmine number 3. The third website I recommend is quickrewards.net. While it may not offer as many unique features as the previous two, it still provides a reliable way to earn money. You can complete surveys, play games, and watch videos on quickrewards.net. This website has been online for almost 2 decades and is known for its low minimum withdrawal threshold of just 1 cent. If PayPal isn't available in your country, you can choose from various gift card options to cash out your earnings. To get started, visit quickrewards.net and create a free account. Once you're logged in, go to the Watch Video section to start earning money by watching videos. Quickrewards.net is a legitimate platform that rewards users for their time and engagement. To summarize, the 3 websites where you can get paid are ZarekClammy.com, Timebox.com, and QuickRewards.net. These platforms offer different ways to make money online, including watching videos. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!